Hey guys, it's me again. We're going to do a cold start on the Craftsman 25 cc's weed whacker. This thing has not been ran in a few weeks, probably about like 3 or 4 weeks, 3.5 weeks. We're going to just cold start it today, and that's it. Thank you. Okay, that was a cold start. It's been having some problems. You have to actually hold the throttle all the way down from the carburetor and start it. Usually you just prime it and put it on half choke and it'll fire right up. Today it didn't do that. Thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe. Bye, YouTubers.